Step by step, class 3, page number 16. Follow the steps and complete the given picture. Composition with the birds. You can see the composition of birds here. I'm going to start with the hill here. It's just above this head here. This coming down, and this one. Let's draw the beak here. And one more bottom one. From this, let's complete this small bird here. Here you do line here. For this also you draw these lines. Let's complete the wing of this bird. It's under this beak here. Started here, and from this to this, draw a small curve here, come back and draw one more curve, and come back and join to this wing here. Let's complete this beak and make a U-turn like this, equal to this. Let's complete the wing here, a curve. And let us increase this till here, and draw one more wave line and join this wave line here. Let's draw the bushes behind the scene here. Let us draw the eyes for this, and one more. That's drawing. Let us color it. Taking red color, coloring for the sun, not completely. Coloring it half darkly and making it bit light. Now I'm gonna mix with deep yellow. Blend well with the red color and color the remaining part here. Let us take orange color, coloring at the top of the scene at the border bit darkly, only at the top. Now making it light with the orange color. Leaving some gap around the sun. Let's take deep yellow, mix with orange color, blend well with orange color. Wherever you did light with the orange color, there you have to blend with this. I'm blending with more pressure. Now I can color around the sun here. With the leftover gap, taking lemon yellow and mixing this here, blending here with the deep yellow. Blended. Taking violet color, coloring here carefully out of the swans. Let's color this side. Let's color the beak with lemon yellow. And for this, for the 3 beaks, take light blue, or you can use yellow color. Lemon yellow, light blue, medium yellow, any one color can be used, and color very lightly here, not darkly. Wherever the lines are there, beside those I'm coloring lightly with this, and I'll blend with white color. Very lightly how to use with this light blue. I colored very lightly. Now I'm going to use white color to blend with this blue color, instead of leaving it in full white color. We represent white color with light blue shade mixing with white color. Or you can leave it in white color if you want. Let's take dark green, color at the bottom of this line here. For the bushes, randomly color in different heights. Carefully color around this beak here. Coloring according to this shape, is what shape it is there, in the same way I'm leaving it here without coloring it straight line. I'm going to take medium yellow, and I'll mix this with medium yellow here in round direction, then only it blends properly with round direction. Wherever I left these gaps here in white color, I'm coloring with medium yellow now. I get the shade by mixing this yellow color with green color. I get light green. Let's color the water. Taking Russian blue, color near the lines. Adding some lines. Take light blue and mix. Color at the remaining parts bit lightly. No need to go very clearly with this light blue, because I'm going to mix with white again. Now I'd like to blend with white color. That's it from page number 16. Let's sign off. Thank you.